Okay. Severe. Extreme severe. So many car launches went off. But across the block, so many car launches went off. So many car launches went off across the street. And this is the second part. I wait 15 minutes. I record the second part, but I stopped in 3-4 minutes to do it because there was no lighting or none like this. But after I see something like this kind of color, it's darker. And the second part I tried to record was too bright, so I deleted it when it hit 4 minutes. When it hit 4 minutes, I deleted it. Now I gotta record it, and I got it. About 5 seconds before I recorded, thunder was loud and the car alarm just went off. Uh-oh. Transformer just exploded back there somewhere. Way back there, just heard a transformer. I heard a gloom. I see a gloom too, so lightning probably hit it. I don't know, lightning might hit it or something. About a couple blocks that way. I could cut our power off right there. Everything's good, the power's still on. It didn't flash. It almost dead before I was recording. I'll try to catch a lightning strike. I gotta watch exactly what I'm doing, how many nets is in there, because I get over 10 nets. I gotta do it. YouTube do not take that much nets. If I get something, I try 10 minutes in 1 second, do not even do it. I try to get a window movie maker about 10 minutes in 1 second, do not even do that. So I gotta get, somehow I'm gonna get at least 10 minutes video in YouTube. Somehow. Cost a lot of gigabytes to get all uploaded, but I got a couple of them. I got a couple of them that take to go up to 2012, which is a long ways to go. Something with the TV just went off or something. Cock, which is a cook. Cop, it's a cop. Cock. We got. That's kaboom, but that one's a clock. Okay, that was a boom. There we go. Clock, boom. All goes out. That's something I really want, but the dew point temperature are very low. It's 53 degrees outside, and the dew point is 63. That's, I know. The chances are 50% severe storms early, that's it. Why the hell thunder? Oh man, no. Don't start with that attitude. Guys hear a call on? That was grass up there. Where's the piece of grass at? I don't want to do it now. First of all, I didn't know the grass was up there. No one's up at that time. But Mikey, I got the window right there. I think it's too dangerous. I'll close the door. Oh, it's getting badder and badder. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. It's getting. It was so bright. You go see part 1. Look how bright could to this. Now the skies are green. Let me check the way out real quick. I was right here, and that's how bad the storm is. Right, look at that. Whoa! That was bright. I could have catched that one. Did that light just flash? That street light just flashed. Street light just went off for a second and back on. It's like 3/4 way out for like a second back on. I like to hear something. It's still fun of us. It's still fun of us. We're in the middle of a bandstand. Still in the middle of the freaking dorm. Pack, pack. Look at that. I'm not touching the camera. I'm pulling a wrong leg. Not severe usually, right? No, look at that. It's just split, like, it was all one piece. And now it's split open, and we're not even on the red. So the worst part I'm seeing is right here. Right there's the worst part. We're still in the green, but the worst part's right there. That's what I'm watching. And I'm not even facing outside either. I'm pulling the wrong way. It's about 15. Pulling the wrong way can last almost a foot. You guys got any kind of lightning strike you caught? Let me know. Just comment me. You know, Cold Brother, Madison. You know, Storm Track 05, Madison 1997. You know. You got new friends, let me know. If you got friends on YouTube, if they're fight but they see me, let them know. Something about YouTube about to do something about this September, but I do not believe that. I don't believe that's September. What the heck? Because this might be our last video of the storms about on the channel. YouTube Baffin channel is about to change. I'm not worried about that. If you guys want to see a video, just click CR. You can't get a box. Just type the whole thing in. There's no gashes, no different way. English on there. It's just all English. Oh, we just got heavy rain now. Not even the worst part. And we got cool air rolling in. And we're gonna get like. We're gonna get like there will be a wind. Getting light outside, but it's still dark. Yeah, I'm looking at the time. 8:20. Is that 8:20? Now since going bad happens, everything's still good. I'm about to go sleep a little bit. But the sun just came up. It's about 6. It's about 6:50 in the morning. Okay, that was not good. Close the door, just close the door a little bit. Whew. Damn. Close the door just a little bit. Damn, damn, damn. Holy, that got me a headache. Hold on. Yeah. That was a lot of thunder. Well, I'm about to close the door right now. Okay. I got him up. Okay, stay tuned for more updates.